Hello and welcome to Dartmoor. More specifically, you join me on the Two Moors Way. I'll give you a look around. I'm just east of Warren Inn. That's Meldon Hill, Trackford. That's Birchtor. What I'm doing today is a bit of a hike, a bit of a training hike really. I want, like if you saw my last video, I want to do a few more long distance sort of overnighters and hikes and stuff. So I thought I'd get out today. So where I'm walking from today, you can see that's the main road that goes down past the Warren Inn. So I'm walking from here to Thornworthy, to Kestor, Kestor to Scorrell to Havent or Stone Circle, then Cosden, then Belstone. Yeah, so it's a bit of a stomp, but I'm just going to take the day of it, nothing major. It is a route I have done before and have videoed before, but I did it in the other way, sort of thing, but I didn't go to Kestor. So it's a bit of a trail revisited and new pastures new, if that makes sense. So yes, and here I am at Thornworthy. The water's a bit higher than last time I was here. That's Thornworthy Tor. That's where I'm heading to next, actually. And then on to Kestor, I think. Yeah. So yeah. Yeah. So Thornworthy and onwards. And here we are on top of Thornworthy, as I say. Yeah, I'll give you a pan around. So there's Thornworthy over there. There's Ashcombe's Hill. Over there in the distance, Wharton Tor. Yeah, it's Thornworthy. And then you've got Kestor, Middle Tor, and that's Frenchbeer Rock over there. Yes. So I'm going to go and bag them. I'm pretty sure they're part of the tour bagging itinerary, so I'll go and bag them. And yeah, and then from there I'm going to head to Scorrell. I'll probably stop at Scorrell for lunch, and then from Scorrell up to Houndtor, up to Cosden, and then down into Belstone. Yes. It's getting a bit warm now, but it's not as hot as it was the other day, thank God. That'll be baking, but yeah, sounds like firing on the ranges as well. Not that I'm bothered because I'm actually skirting them, but every now and then you can get machine gun fire and sort of like thuds. So yeah. Yes, Thornworthy Tor, and I've one bag. Here we are on Frenchbeer Rock. Give you a look round. I don't know what it is with some tours, but sheep really like them. To the point of they never get off the bloody thing. Look, there's just piles of poo everywhere. So I'm going to get out. Middle Tor and Kestor up there. Apparently there's some hut circles over there. So let's go and have a look. Yeah, it's quite a nice little tour actually. That's ground's well fertilised here, I'll tell you that. You wouldn't want to camp here. Unless of course you like sitting in sheep poo. takes all the look. Oh, here we go. Big old hut circle. Yeah, there we go, another hut circle. Seems to be a couple dotted around. It's got this big stone here. I'm sure it's not a cairn circle. It's more like a cairn circle with this bank on the outside. Well, the Ordnance Survey says it's a hut circle, but yeah. Very interesting. Oh dear. It's getting warm now. Where am I going? Well, I'm going to head off up to middle Tor. Apparently it's a rock basin up there, so oh, there's another one here. Right. There's another hut circle here. Very nice. Big old stones though. Well, nice little plateau to live on though. Yeah, see why they put him here. Oh, excuse me. That's stone up there. Yes, interesting. So yeah, I'm off up there and bring you back when I get there. And here I am on top of Middle Tor, and here's the rock basin. Normally sometimes they've got some water in them, but nobody's quite sure what they are. They could be sort of natural, where stone gets in there and creates a depression and the water freezes and unfreezes and makes it bigger. Some say they're actually carved out by sort of like ancient man. Jury's still out really. But there you go. There is another one apparently on Kestor, which is up over there, so we'll go and see if we can find that one. But yeah, there we go. Rock basin. I think that's the first one I've come across actually. Give you a look round. Definitely a good view up here. Some Chagford over there. And all that's Hamble Down and all that. I'm not sure what that is over there. It's probably Easton. It could be Easton over there. Yeah, it's Thornworthy and Ashcombe Hill and Froggy Mead. That there's Thornworthy Tor, which is I've just come. Well, came from there. Then went to Frenchbeer Rocks, which is over there. That's Kestor. That's where I'm heading next. Yes. No, I'm not going to do the Summit or Nothing shout because I'm just getting other people's catchphrases. I have to come up with my own. Too old for that crap. And here we have Kestor rock basin. As you can see, it's a bit more pronounced. It's a lot deeper as well, I looks of it. 6 inches deep. Like that. Yes. You see my stick for scale. It's almost like a metre across, over a metre across maybe. So yeah, here we are on Kestor. We're near Chagford, so it's quite popular here. You got another one forming, or was done? Don't know. There's another one up here. Oh, there's one there. Look, you can see it's broke away. There's quite a few on here. Seems you can get your car up to there. I'll explain a few things. Can you see the hut circus from here? Yeah, so you can get your car up to there. So that's probably why this is so popular. Oh well. What to do now actually? Well, I'm off down to that corner and then down to Scorrell. And then I don't know if you can see it, but there is a footpath, where the path that runs up to basically Hound Horse, where the Hound Horse Stone Circle is, and Stone Circle. So I'll get to there. Then while I'm here, I'm actually going to walk up to Cosden and bag that as a tour. I've been up Cosden a few times now, but I've officially bagged it, as I'm calling it. So a bit of rain in the air. So. Yes, Kestor. Well, it's technically called Kestor Rocks. But there you go. Yeah, so I'm going to take some pickies and I'm going to head down to Scorrell. I think I'll find somewhere down there. It's a bit busy here for lunch. So I'm going to crack on to Scorrell, see if that's a bit quieter. Oh, here I am at, this is Belstone corner. Yeah, I'm off in that direction. Just up there's a load of stone rows and the standing stone, the king stones up there and everything. I have filmed it before, as I passed through this way before. But I'm not going to film it today because I think I'm going to come back, because there's a lot of it up there. And I think it's worthy of its own video in its own right. So yeah, so you're going to have to stay tuned for that. So here I am at Belstone. I love these hedgerows. Absolutely love these beech trees. I'm sure they're beech trees. You don't see enough deciduous trees on Dartmoor, but when you do, it's beautiful. Guess which way the wind blows. Yeah. But hanging on there. This wall must be old, really old. But I was just looking at the field. That grass is almost perfect meadow of grass. I mean, nothing feeding it, nothing. So I am off down there to Scorrell. Wow, down to the Teen. I'm going to stop at Teen, get some water, do something to eat. Crack on then. There's Waterton up there. Yes. It's weird because I've come this way before, but I've come from Belstone this way, and it's like when you go the other way, it's almost like doing a different journey because everything looks different. It's really bizarre. But yes. Yeah, I've stopped for lunch now. Scorrell's just up over there, Scorrell Stone Circle. There's little cows. But I stopped for lunch in this nice little spot. So you make yourself a coffee, and when you Outkit Brew Mars, whatever it's called, I can't remember what it's called, Brewkit Jackal, what it's called, whatever, pours water really quick. I'm going to get a coffee in me, get some sandwiches in me, so I'm just going to chill out here for a bit. I was going to put the tarp up, but that's just quite sheltered, don't need to. So yeah, get some food in me, listen a bit of Radio 4, see what's going on in the world, and yeah, sit and chillax. So I might sit here for about an hour, I suppose. Don't know. Take it as it comes. Right, see you in a bit.